You're brilliant. Captain, come here, sing.
Huh?
Sing. Now, keep your eyes focused on my face. Watch my mouth.
Good morning.
Good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning. Good morning to you.
Well, complacent?
Enchanting. Why?
Don't you get it? Use Captain's voice. Linda just moves her mouth and Captain's voice comes out, singing and talking for her.
That's wonderful.
No. No. I couldn't let you do it, Captain.
Why not?
Because you couldn't resist. You're destroying your career.
It has nothing to do with my career. It's only for my picture. The important thing now is to save the Great Cavalier, to save Lockwood and Lamont.
Yeah. Well, it was only for some fiction. Do you think it'll buy?
Of course it will.
Sure, and it's easy to move the numbers. All we have to do is dance along with her and teach her how to bow.
Alright. We go to Olive and speak out here in the morning.
Oh, it's 3 a.m. in the morning. Almost my bedtime. I best be going.
I take it home.
You better take care of that road. Your big singing is turned out. Remember? This California dew is a little heavier than usual tonight.
Really? From where I'm standing, the sun is shining all over the place. Good night.
Good night.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling! I'm
Could you tell me again?
Hello out there! This is Nola Berry talking to you at the premiere of One Winter Pictures, The Dancing Cavalier. Once again, Moonlight Floating Motors Screen Lovers, Down Love, and Peanut Awards in the first all talking, all singing, all dancing musical romance. It is an event that will go down its never history!
Listen to them! We're a sensation! And the biggest hit has been born!
Lena, you were perfect! You were a lot more than ever!
It was good, wasn't it?
Yeah, wonderful, Johnny. It worked. The party comes to two.
You're a silly baby!
And Calvin, we're watching you.
Thanks!
Lena, you sang as well as Captain Selden.
Yeah, and I'm going to fill with time!
Hey, what do you mean?
She's gotta keep writing down with her.
Now, Lena, we already discussed your future.
That's what you think!
This is your conflict. And you get fancy ideas about the future. Tell her that.
Well,
Remember right now, listen to the applause and sing! And listen for me! Thrill is an advance! Welcome to Valley Ceremony Dinner!
She's got something there. It's gold mine. You got a choice.
Part of that choice is mine, Miss Lamont. You are 5 years gone, Danny.
hey, just a minute, Lynn.
It's not there.
A speech? Yeah! Well, everybody always makes speeches for me. Well, tonight the president and gentleman and time. And you make the speech.
No, please, Lena, don't.
Just wait, Ross. This is real statement. And she's entitled to talking. Like,
You're the right. Ladies and gentlemen, on Court Dollar House Street, we are at the reception for the Dancing Cavalier, our first physical picture together. If we bring a little joy into your huddle life, it makes us feel our hard work has invaded through knowledge. Let's hear it.
Hey, beautiful song. Just bring a picture. Hey, cut the talk. Lena, sing. Yeah, sing it out.
wait a second. Come on, alright. I've got an idea.
What am I gonna do? Dylan, I'm gonna go and run for something.
Hey, Lena, we've got it. Ross, get a microphone and step back up the curtain. Calvin will step back there and sing for you.
Don't.
You've got to do it, Captain.
You mean she'll be double the curtain, singing, and I'll be up to the front, making little house like in the picture?
That's it.
I'll never do it. She's gotta do it.
Of course she's gonna do it. She's got 5 years contract with me. Get off the microphone, Miss Selden.
You have it. Captain. Do it.
All right, I'll do it, Doc. But I'll never see her again on or off the screen. Well, I'll let somebody get it down on you. Thank you, darling.
That is all for Tamarawa